Quinoa is a nutrient-dense, whole, grain-packed with complete protein, supplying all 9 essential amino acids, something uncommon among plant foods. It's rich in fiber, supporting digestion and steady energy, and provides important minerals like magnesium, iron, zinc, and potassium. Quinoa is also a good source of B vitamins and vitamin E, offering antioxidant benefits. Naturally gluten-free and low on the glycemic index, it suits many dietary needs while delivering balanced carbohydrates, healthy fats, and sustained nourishment. Keep watching, and I will show you a never-fail method for preparing quinoa.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I am Mike the Stewburn. I'm a retired Navy cook doing the thing I love to do the most, and that is cook. What are we doing today? We're going to make some quinoa in a rice cooker. Because if you're like me, I used to struggle making quinoa on a stovetop. It would never come out. Ever. And I mean ever. And then I bought this rice cooker here, the Zojirushi, actually years ago. And I noticed it had a quinoa setting. I was like, wow, I've got to try this out because I really suck at making quinoa on a stovetop. And I did, and it came out perfect. And it has come out perfect ever since I started cooking it in the rice cooker. So there you go. If you want to make perfect quinoa every time, not struggle, and if you have a rice cooker, it doesn't have to be a Zojirushi. You can use any rice cooker, okay? The main thing is that you're going to use, it's a 1-to-2 ratio. 1 part quinoa, 2 parts water, and that's it. Now if you want to do some add-ins, like I'm going to add in a little bit of chicken base today, and I'm also going to throw about a cupful of peas in here to add a little vegetable to it, vegetable. One of the reasons why I enjoy quinoa, number one, for the flavor. It's got a great, kind of like a nutty flavor to it. Got awesome texture. And what I do is I replace my starches with that. If I'm cooking a rice dish, I'm going to use the quinoa. It's healthier. 8 grams of protein for every cup of quinoa. I make salads out of it, quinoa salads. There's some nuts in there, some chopped vegetables, and raisins. I mean, the sky's the limit, right? All right, I'm rambling on here, right? This is so simple, okay? I can make it, and you can make it too. So what I have is I have my little measuring cup for my rice cooker here, and I have measured out 2 of these cups of quinoa. All I'm going to do, open her up. Now, if you look in here, see if I can get that. The Zojirushi is really good about providing you the quantities that you need of water for every cup that you use of your product. And right down here, let me see, quinoa, I don't have my glasses on. Right down here it says quinoa. I don't know if you can see it on the camera here. But, and all you do is just pour the water in to that line. So I'm using 2 cups of quinoa, and I'm just going to pour the quinoa in, and I'm going to go ahead and load the water in up to the 2-cup line. So what I'm going to do, go ahead and pour my quinoa in over here. There she goes. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my water. There she blows. And I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of chicken base here. Just for a little added flavor. Give this a stir. So I'm going to do right now that I got my glasses on, I'm going to go ahead and right over here is quinoa. I have quinoa chosen. And here it goes. Now we're going to cook it, right? Hit the start. Get the little song there. And in approximately 44 minutes, we're going to have the fluffiest, most delightful quinoa ever. And you're going to, if you have a rice cooker, you're going to be turned on to this. And this is going to be your go-to for cooking your quinoa from here on out. I can guarantee it. Now, at about halfway through, or maybe with about 10 minutes left, I'm going to go ahead and add my frozen peas in here, because I don't need them to cook all the, for 44 minutes. So we'll come back right about the time I'm going to add the peas. We'll add the peas, we'll finish it off, we'll fluff it up, we'll give it a taste. Oh, it's going to be so good, especially if you like quinoa. Hey, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. We're coming back. A couple seconds for you. About 30 minutes for me. All right, I'm back. We have about 8 minutes left to go. Steaming well. Now I've got my cup of peas here, my frozen peas. Just gonna go open this up, get those peas in there, let the peas steam for the last 8 minutes, and we should have some nice fluffy quinoa with peas. I love peas. And so don't go anywhere. We'll come right back. Again, just a couple seconds your time, and we should be ready to go. Okay, our 8 minutes is up and it is smelling fantastic in here. I can smell the peas, I can smell the quinoa. It's looking fantastic. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, peas are cooked perfectly. The quinoa looks like it's ready to be fluffed. All I'm going to do now is go in here, give it a little fluff, and it is cooked perfectly. So all I do is turn these peas in, fluff up the quinoa. We'll get some into the little serving dish here. I'll give it a try. My next video, I'm making some bourbon chicken, and that's really the reason why I made this quinoa, because I'm going to put that bourbon chicken over the quinoa. Okay. Absolutely perfect. Every stinking time. You got a rice cooker, you got to be doing this. All right. Now you're going to see what I'm really talking about. There you go. Look at that. Nice and fluffy. Nothing stuck together. Huh. Wow. If you like quinoa and you've been struggling, I know there are a lot of people out there that are, this is what you gotta do. Now, don't be one of those people that when you see this video, okay, so what was your recommendation for the stovetop? I don't have a recommendation for the stovetop. I'm showing you how to make it in a rice cooker. Fail safe, guarantee it. So please, don't make a comment that, hey, do you have a recommendation for stove? I don't. I struggled, I screwed it up every time. This is my go-to, it works. And if you're struggling, I guarantee you try it, you're gonna like it. You're gonna like the way it comes out. All right, look at that. Nice and fluffy. This is good hot. It's good chilled, making a salad. Even these peas, we'll chill them down. Add a little dressing to this, maybe some lemon, some lime, a little bit of olive oil, diced tomatoes, a little onion. Have a nice quinoa salad. You could put some other proteins on here, like some rotisserie chicken, shrimp. All right, I've talked enough, right? Let's try this. It smells, I've been actually stalling because I know it's hot, so. All right, here we go. Absolutely perfect. You can't go wrong. You saw how easy it was to make this, and you can probably think of all the other different variations that you may want. I mean, black beans, just on its own. So let's do a little business here, and let's do the episode shout out. This episode is dedicated to my rugby team, my wheelchair rugby team, the Maryland Mayhem. My gosh, they're working their butts off right now, getting ready for our crab pot tournament. But hey, this episode is dedicated to my Maryland Mayhem team, my family, and good luck in the next few weeks getting ready for the big tournament. And then we're on to I think Knoxville or somewhere in Kentucky for the big PVA tournament. So yeah, we're traveling all the time. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly share. Right over there, big, hit the logo. It's so much easier to subscribe to the channel. So until next time, thanks, and we'll see you.